Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing one of the new Iron Maiden Funko Pops from the second wave that they've had. And so we've got the Somewhere in Time Eddie, which is really the one that I wanted other than the chase of this figure, which is the Stranger in a Strangeland Eddie. But in the line we do have the rest of them here. We have the Somewhere in Time Eddie, which is obviously right here. We have the Knights of the Dead Eddie right here. We have the Live After Death Eddie right here. And then, of course, the Seventh Son of a Seventh Son Eddie. This goes along with the first wave where they had pops from the first 4 albums. And then we're getting more of them here with 2 live albums and 2 of my favorite Iron Maiden albums. The Somewhere in Time version of Eddie is one of my favorite of all the Eddie characters throughout history. But we'll just take the box out, open here, and then we'll get a good look at what Eddie looks like outside of the packaging. And so we've got the classic pop figure sort of blister pack, whatever you want to call it here. But the detail on this version of him is quite remarkable, especially for a pop, because like the figures are little chunky things, you know. But we've got Eddie right there, and we'll just get in real close for you to see him behind me. That's probably not going to help, but we'll get a nice look at what Eddie looks like from all sides here. And you can see the detailing on his back there and his pistol, and he's ready to grab the other one over here with his other pistol right here. And he's in the classic pose from the album. But you can see down to the details of like his the visor or the monocle or whatever that he has, and his head. This is an utterly fantastic pop. It makes me really excited to see what the other ones look like, especially the Stranger in a Strangeland, because that's my favorite version of Eddie. But this one is fantastic. It even has the little nuclear symbol over his, underwear there or whatever he's wearing. But this is the Somewhere in Time Funko Pop. These come out. This one I got off of Hot Topics website, so I don't want to get them in trouble for selling it early. But I'm not entirely sure when all of them release because some of them came out in the UK already. This one is out in the US. It just all depends on where you live, I guess, and what store you're buying it from. But you can get these from Hot Topic. You can get them from Entertainment Earth, Funko directly. Anywhere you get your pops, you might be able to find these. But this is the Somewhere in Time Eddie figure from Funko Pop. Let me know what you think in the comments of these Funko Pops, if you're a Funko Pop collector or not. I never really was, and then I started collecting them because they look cool and because my girlfriend collects them, so they're fun to collect with her. But outside of that, we're going to get the rest of the Eddies eventually, hopefully. And hopefully we'll get that chase figure so you can see it here on the channel. But for more on Iron Maiden or heavy metal or collectibles like this guy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and do all that fun YouTube stuff. It really helps me to know what kind of content you guys want to see. And from Eddie and I to you, we will see you again real soon. Thanks for watching.